Some of the cleanest layouts feel premium because they prioritize clarity over complexity. Today, how to design clean content frame systems. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start with a warm off-white background and apply a soft neutral gradient. Insert 4 portrait frames and arrange them with equal spacing from top to bottom. Upload your images and place them into the frames, adjusting crops carefully to maintain consistency. Increase the size of the top frame slightly to establish hierarchy. Apply gentle shadows to all frames and lower the intensity until they feel subtle. Add thin border accents